Racing as they settle, we have Case Cut. Break quickly to start, we have Bilateral Zer Barbaro. Then followed over by entry number 2, Be Faithful. Next online, Virgin Empress. In between horses comes Grand Game. Next online of Sled Leader, running Bilateral Inspiring. While Andale is the early trailer and going along. For the first turn, we have Zer Barbaro. Moves up by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is Grand Game. Running alongside Virgin Empress. Be Faithful comes next. Moving upon the outside leg leader, running Bilateral Inspiring. Andale second last, while Case Cat is in behind them. Half-mile distance. They struggle. We have Zer Barbaro maintaining a length and a half lead. Moving up now on the outside leg leader together with Virgin Empress. Then followed over by Grand Game. Down on the inside, Inspiring. Moving upon the outside, Andale. Then followed over by Be Faithful, by Case Cat is still at the tail. And on the far turn, we have Zer Barbaro, leg leader in second, while Virgin Empress racing well at this moment as they swing for home. Zer Barbaro moving upon the outside now is leg leader to take the lead with about 150 meters more to run. We have leg leader Zer Barbaro is running by moving upon the outside Virgin Empress, but it's still leg leader followed by Zer Barbaro, Virgin Empress, and finally it's leg leader second Zer Barbaro, Virgin Empress. Then comes Grand Game, Andale Inspiring, Case Cat, and Be Faithful.
League leader. League leader nga po ang sa unang tumawid sa linya at pinalo niya ito si Zer Barbaro. Pumangatlo lamang si Virgin Empress.